making these duels,
Hi, Icy.
Two? Are
Two.
you listening?
No.
Two, we need your help.
Oh, black hole. You.
We need.
Oh, poor baby. Okay, you're gonna see me pause and take screenshots a lot. Don't worry about that. I'm so sorry, baby. No. Ah!
Hey, yippee!
Yippee! What? Why is that just flying on screen? Okay, hello, babies. Oh, I missed you guys.
Who's out of commission today, so X and I will be in charge.
That's actually, oh, what are you doing? That's actually really cute, because you know what, 2 is, like, coping and grieving with Gatey just, like, being gone. Because, and then they're doing the game for them. That's so nice. Maybe they are friends. What? Whoa, holy shit, okay. How sharp is his tongue?
Yummy.
You couldn't taste that.
I hate
the green with 17.
Marker the green. What? Aww.
Cheat the green. Pin the
Pin!
green.
Pin, no.
green.
See? Even
What?
I'm shocked.
Put her back. Okay.
The contestant
We'll
says
lose a whole lot. Okay.
Me?
Okay.
Pin, thank you.
This is so interesting.
Goodbye, TPOT.
What?
Team
Oh, that was
2,
weird.
Your votes were much closer than that team.
Okay, Ice Cube.
Black hole.
Ice Cube, we can do it.
Is safe with
Aw, yay!
24,157
Grassie's so
votes.
cute. Oh!
You
Hi,
can
man.
work in our kitchen.
Oh, God! What? Oh, hi!
Well, price
Okay.
tag is actually safe with 23,559 votes.
Cool.
Heavens.
Hey,
Oh.
Buck.
Hooray, I'm safe.
I'm just saying hi. Grassy is safe with 22.
Yes.
In the bottom 2.
But only
Oh.
Ice Cube is in the bottom 1 because she got
What?
16,403 votes. Book is safe with
Woo! But
22,453
Bracelety! Bracelety!
Book, I appreciate you
Aw.
letting me take my time. When everything was ending, I realized I just wanted our friendship back.
Oh.
Well,
Oh. Okay, no Bracelety. I won't kill myself. I won't kill myself. I won't kill myself.
Everyone get in your teams now.
Oh.
Today's challenge.
The challenge
Oh,
is
oh my God.
fantastic.
Eggs.
Yowie.
Yowie.
Have 10
Okay.
minutes to hide before.
What?
A blue mark for me.
Hi, Robotty.
And a yellow mark for me.
Okay, one step closer to
more
Bracelety.
thing. If
Yes?
you die,
oh, I can't read this.
What? Dumbass. Oh,
So
shit.
go hide.
Run.
hi.
I. Ba, 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 da, Man, I feel so bad for 2.
Isn't a great win? Then I'll make sure your team loses.
What the
Just
fuck?
in that star.
Kill yourself.
Dead weight.
Dead weight. Oh my God, you're horrible.
We can use it.
Shut it.
Oh,
Whatever.
fucking soon did I?
We're
Lucky for you guys, I'm great at hide and seek.
Great. Where should we hide?
No, I'm great at hide and seek.
What?
I'm off to hide now. Good luck.
What is wrong with her?
Ooh, hi TV.
I'm so good at this.
Okay, man. Where's Bracelety though?
The same.
Dang. Great leadership,
Poor
TV.
wiener.
yeah, we're totally.
If only I had a master hider like Bottle on my team.
Huh?
Master hider.
With pillow.
Water?
Whoa, what the fuck? Oh my God.
Thanks. Did you say down?
No, I've been watching this little alien.
What the
running
fuck
back
is
and
that?
forth.
What the fuck?
Wait a minute. Something is seriously bothering me about this. Let's go.
Alright.
Face.
What? I said nothing.
What the fuck? Skedaddle.
X,
What
don't
the?
go for my team, only the others.
Oh,
Wow, manipulation.
Whoa, this place
Oh,
is
hi,
real
Juan.
cool. You
For the rubble.
Oh, hey guys, care to help me down from here?
What the fuck?
Not sure what trees we'll find out here.
She's so mean. Like, oh my god, she is so mean. If we had gotten Bracelety instead, she would be so nice. She would help down all the contestants, and she would be such a team player. Sorry.
Where am I right now? Ooh, hi, Marker. Hi, tree. Tree?
Hi, Marker.
This might
Is someone stuck in there? I guess we should help them out.
Wait, no, just not her. Please don't.
Oh my god.
Okay, I promise I'll start tagging.
Yay. They're so gay.
You know, I've had trouble keeping my anger in. I let it out and I hurt people, and I forced myself to keep it in on Death Pack. Even in the exit, I kept it in. It helped me by treating my aggressive side as a different part of me. It's still
Oh.
me, but it doesn't control me. I control it. And I can control when it's good for me to let that part out, like against the kitchen sink. Being angry is
Okay. Hold on. I like this. Okay, I like this. It's cute. It's comfy, it's cozy. I like Lie. This is cute. I just wish he'd have gotten in with Bracelety instead of Pencil.
You doing here?
It's me, Gracie.
The way his expression's
Tried
talking.
killing Marker. Hell.
Toss the dirt! The water volcano!
Not great.
Just keep trying.
Whoa.
I'm Gracie.
I'm Grassy!
Keep shaking. Well, Snowball, according to my research, you are strong and can hang in there. That'll be all.
Aww.
Still wish you fell off.
Wow, that's
No,
gorgeous.
Who's all good?
That scream!
My first tag.
I like
Here we
Lie.
go.
Whee! What the fuck?
You just clap.
You okay?
What? Oh yeah. I just. Oh.
Oh, wait, I have. Oh my god, wait! Oh my god, they both suffer from abandonment issues because loser abandoned winner, and the friends Taco abandoned book, and oh my god, Yellowface and Taggy are going together because they have in common. They collect stuff, and then oh my god, they're gonna be friends.
Guess I'm feeling a little bit replaced.
I knew it. Yes,
I've had troubles dealing with this before too.
yes.
But they're not abandoning us, Winner. They're just doing their own thing. They'll always come back. Don't worry.
No.
Sometimes they don't.
Oh.
You're right. But there's always more people around to help you through that too. Say, you free now? Wanna play some Goiki and Dragons?
Oh, yeah. I think Yellowface has tried to sell me that like a million times.
Taggy introduced me to it. It's really fun. I'll see if Pillow wants to play.
I'll play.
Ah! Oh, yeah, cool.
Yeah, she used to start on me too, but I've gotten used to it. I mean,
Oh my god. Oh, I really like the character writing in this one, okay? The character writing is really cute. Sometimes they don't. Oh man. Oh, it's so good. Okay. Cook Jack and Jellyfy, cook.
Nothing personal. We
Look at the
cannot
road.
afford to lose another person. How does that even remotely increase our chances of winning? You have been sabotaging our team this entire
Look at the
challenge.
fucking road.
Hey, if it wasn't for me, we'd
the
all
hell
have
are
been
you?
tagged by now. So you're welcome.
Pencil!
And there's a reason
Pencil!
all those other losers.
what just happened?
Oh, you know.
Tree, is that
You got
you?
possessed.
What? Of course it's me.
Yay!
Aw.
I'm so happy you're back.
Aww.
I've missed something.
I
Bad Snowball! Being dead is against the rules! No cheating! Sorry I had to do that. Now I have to tag you.
Oh my god.
So sick of you not caring about anybody but yourself.
Yes.
okay.
Holy shit. Aw.
Listen, right? You guessed wrong, golf ball. You lose 2 members
What?
from your team this time.
It'll be okay.
Wait, does this mean we'll see where Bottle hid?
We've been hearing so much about it. I can't wait. And here I am.
Are you serious? Poor Pencil! Stop looking at me like that. Alright, I like that episode, but I don't like that they're making me feel bad for Pencil. Sure, she has PTSD, but she's a fucking bitch. I have PTSD too, and I'm not a bitch.